All right, good afternoon and welcome to Obed TV here on YouTube. And every Kumasi Asante Kotoko ejina kono enya asebuketwa one more airball a Ghana Premier League game against Accra Lions 4 p.m. or the Accra Sports Stadium and a match baso na ahead of the match yabamodin amayen saka the starting 11 of Asante Kotoko and Jede Ebremo. I was Obed TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to channel na and like the video. Line up no. Coach Ogumaye changes ni setup no. I said in the amount na. Accra Lions game is a very tough game. Accra Lions they are part of the Ghana Premier League teams. One more unbeaten this season. Lose game. So Asante Kotoko have a tough header this afternoon. Accra Sports Stadium. So I catch a ball no 4 p.m. Na about 4 the better job biano. Yes, so Bremo was Obed TV. But let's move straight to the starting 11. Na Mbao, Emma and Komono and Koyi. So all started team your friend Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Goalkeeper your friend Danlad Ibrahim and Eda goal post and now I'm catch him say possible 11 a Danlad and a better goal post Mesa to also catch us say Samuel Asamoah intimi nsiakan na Abrante friend Augustin a Japan or no and a bebo as the right back. So that's the first changer Coach Ogum etimi aye. Nana Benjini Ebo left back, Ama Henry Ansu, and Yusuf Nuruddin, Ejna 4 and 5. What it means is that one change in Augustin at Japan. Now, Obed Finfinia, and no BOTS Obed TV, Mekachem say Sheriff Mohammed Babeshim, Ama Michael Chejamna, Akop bench. And exactly that is what happened. Sheriff Mohammed Abba Ama Michael Chejamna Akop bench. Inti. That is the second change our coach, your friend Ogum. And so Sharif Mohammed comes in. Na partner Andrews inti menu. Andrews intim menu ewo. Now, Eric Zeze enke team no oko bench. Ama Richmond Lamptey so ababeshim o started. So the coming in of Lamptey is also the third change. Our coach Ogum and Lamptey in. As compared to Eric Zeza last week, Kusiakai out. Now, on the front three, intimate 4-3, no, Sheriff Mohammed, Richmond Lamptey, Andrews Inti Menu. And say, Oko, front trainer last weekend against Kerala United. Now, Peter Aqua. On Isaac Kopon, Steve Mukwala. But as I know, so many to him say, Peter Aqua. Ebe well presence, but Abrante of an Isaac upon Subeko bench. Ama Baba Yahaya Aba Beshitim. So Baba Yahaya Aba into front trainer Peter Aqua, Aminu Aqua, and Baba Yahaya. And attack is being led by Steve Mukwala. We Asante Kotoko starting 11. To me, boss Subiema. Danlad Ibrahim Augustine Japan and Benjini Henry Ansu Nuruddin Mohammed Yusuf Inti Menu Andrews na wenya Sheriff Mohammed Richmond Lamptey Aqua Amidu Peter na wenya Steve Mukwala na Baba Yahaya LSO Ekaho. Inti is more of a 4-3-3, a 4-3-3 system. In the course of the game, it's a 4-5-1 because I have played me a 4-5-1 with Baba Yahaya and Peter Aqua drawing deep. Na Aka Abrantia, the friend Steve Mukwala and Kwan Wenimho say almost joining attack and then 4-3-3, but clearly a double pivot with Richmond Lamptey, playing as the number 10. Just behind a striker, your friend Steve Mukwala, no, Asante Kotoko starting 11. Down there, Chiri Eddie Amao, I was Obed TV. Inti the free no, the lineup is in, and this is how Kotoko want to rise up and play against a team. Your friend Accra Lions. Now, interestingly, in the Ghana Premier League, they've been just one away side. What team ya winning match? Away teams ni na obi enwa wetimi a winning match ewo ho, which is very very serious. Away teams no obi entimi winning match ewo Ghana Premier back and that was enra mediema ebo wura mu ekwachi team a your friend Brekum mid Ebechem United mum ekosho mo by 1-0. Apart from that no obi entimi in winning match, but Blay is in the setup. Blay ebe bench Baba Yahaya jersey number 23 and the ebe share no say can Julius Oforizi give me na say omonya present, and indeed omonya present. So can Asante Kotoko record their second be the second Ghana Premier League team to record a win this season, and because just one win, and that was medium Kotoko beat me abeka ho am on my 2, and Accra Sports Stadium is the venue, and it will be an interesting match, trust me. Interesting match. So 4 changes and a coach Ogum Augustine Japan for Samuel Asamoah, Richmond Lamptey for Eric Zaza, Sharif Mohammed for Michael Che Dramana, and Baba Yahaya for Isaac Opon Neymar. These are the 4 changes coach in the year, and we are wishing the team all the best. Match we won't send baby Kumasi Asante Kotoko should manage and win this game, because Medical Canada say Accra Lions per my records in Asante Kotoko, and that history should be protected. Now SSL Kotoko protected that history, no moving forward. Again, we have a big game. In our next game we are playing against Diana Stars, and to help attendance, say Abema attendance Asante Kotoko need a win to boost attendance, and also necessary when you winner and my attendance with me boost no pa, but se born ba na want me ansha bonse no so ababe than nsem bebre na and said amboa discussion. Again, the confidence of the team. Anytime be able to social league table na Asante Kotoko na das here, and it will be a bit unfortunate say still near be this match day. Now Asante Kotoko koswa a das here. At least a win and a point or a draw can do so much good for Team Asante Kotoko. So we are wishing the team all the best, and we believe that one basic form na nkunimdie Team Asante Kotoko for dia na yatwa so Obed TV dia ka munyana no yerbebrem. Bye bye.